G'day guys, we're excited to introduce the next version of SketchUp, SketchUp 2026. With SketchUp 2026, you can now collaborate in real time. So you can share your 3D model through a private invite or a public link. Then you can navigate your model, take measurements, leave comments, and even see updates happening in real time. So let's have a look at how we can do this. So the very first thing you'll need to do is save your 3D model to Trimble Connect. You go to the File menu, and then you select Trimble Connect, select Save to Trimble Connect. Once it's saved to Trimble Connect, you can then click on Share. And sharing this file, if it's not on Trimble Connect, will also prompt you to save it to Trimble Connect. You can then just copy the link if you want to just share the link straight away to anyone who you want to view it. But if you want to send a private invite, you can then type in the person's email address, wait for it to pop up, then you need to click on the person's email and then send them a brief message. You then select invite, but you can choose whether or not you only want them to see scenes. So click on invite and then give that some time to send them an email. Okay, so I've got my link now. I can now click on open. Why don't we split this side by side? Okay, so as you can see, I'm moving around and it's happening in real time in my SketchUp model. If I would like to place an actual comment, I can click on the comment tool, click where I would like to make that comment, and say, could you please add glass to the roof here, and then click send. Just need to wait for that to load up, and it's saving to the model, I believe. So if we jump back into SketchUp, you can see here there's a little icon. So if I'm in a different view, for example, and I click on that little icon, it actually takes me to that, and I can then read what that's telling me. So we'll just make sure that that little toolbar is over here. I can then make sure comments are on. There we are. Once the comments are on, you can see, could you please add glass to the roof here? So I just needed to make sure that this dialog wasn't floating somewhere else. And I just especially like how it's happening in real time. So also you see on the left hand side, if I'm moving my mouse around, it's happening on the web browser as well. So I can then click on that and say thanks for the suggestion, and then send that right on back. So now it's never been easier to collaborate in real time with SketchUp and work on the same projects together. Thank you.